has his name on it. The trading card set. The shirt. They were wearing it in their V Live earlier. Yeah, I was not gonna buy a sweater. Huh? What's this? The light stick holder. Oh my god, the blanket. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. OMG, so like I was planning to go to their offline fan meeting, but I was like, I couldn't get tickets. I was like so sad. Let's do this one first. But it reminds me of when Sunghoon made the ring with Sunwoo. What? Anyways, I got this off. That's so legit. They thought about this beforehand. They had to think about whoever freaking made their light stick. Big brain, man. Big brain. That's so cute. Look at that. Let's put her in the case. Ooh. My light stick name is Donu Squared. From far away, it kind of looks like a bag, like. Anyways, moving on. I'm not gonna decorate her just because I'm excited. Yes, high quality blanket. Look at this. It's gonna be so warm. Yay. And then the shirt. Shirt. Or long sleeve shirt. Oh, what size did I get? I got a size large. I think there was a small, medium, and large. But I is big. And it has like this little detail. The back. And she cute. And that's it. There's something right here. Let's open this photo binder. Some photo binder. He's so cute. Please tell me he drew those. Please. This is cute. Reminds me of my SF9 photo card binder. There's a pocket here. Oh my goodness. I love pockets. It's not a pocket. I have been bamboozled. It's just a big asshole. Let's open this big boy. This one's different from the rest of them. So I'm gonna open her first. Look how cute. Oh my god, they have messages on the back. Let's go through her quickly. Yeah. Oh. 80 out of 86. The back are numbered. Huh? Yeah. I really wish I could go. I wish I got tickets. But I'm so slow. I had to translate everything. And the internet was slow AF too. Should I try to put them in order of their number? Why are they so random? I thought he was holding a box of cockroaches. Real fast, real fast, real fast. Boom. My turn. Barely doing anything. It's like the cutest thing in the world. more. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to put them in order. Just for funds, we're all gonna be putting this in order. I don't want to do a close-up because then what if... I don't want to be the reason why there's fakes out there, but... Second to last. Oh. Dude. Oh, shh. Almost dropped her. So cute. Jungwon's so cute. That's it. That's it. Bye. We going, we run.